So guys, today we're gonna open all of these lucky blocks. So where's my little brother? Yo bro, let's open lucky blocks now. Come, let's open. Bro, open your friends. Let's see what you get. Come on. Bro, open it. Come on, open it already. Fine. Let's see. What you get? Diamond 1? Come on, Diamond 6-7. Come on. Oh, dang. That's trash, bro. Come on, let's see what you get. Come on. Ow. That's not how you do it. What did you get? Yo, you guys lost. Oh no, what is that? Yo, that's pretty good. I kind of like it. Okay, let's talk. Choco Lucky Block with a Choco mutation. Let's see what you get. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god. Bro, look. It's so good. Oh my god. Know what you get. Look around. Let me slap you for more luck. Oh. Oh, nah, you got trash again. Oh. Open this lost. Open this one. Why they just mock me, bro? Let's see what you get. Okay. Oh, lost. Yo, lost tong sitos. Bro, that's not gonna give you luck. I bet you're not even gonna get it. Smack you. You got another lost tong sitos. Get up here. Let's see what you get. Yo, bro, don't get the... Bonbonzini, Gusini, Burbaloli, Lulilot. Bro, where did bro go? How did you steal it? Where are you, bro? Wait a minute. I see something here. Yeah. Ow. Bro, get out of my base. Well, finally. Come on, let's see what you get, bro. It's time for the second floor. Come on, open it. 6-7. Come on, let's open that. Come on. Oh, let's see. Oh my god, you got the Chihuahua. That's trash. 6-7, come on, 6-7. 6-7. Oh, hell no. You trash, Carlo, you trash. Ow, why did you smack me? No smack, Carlo. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Open this one. No, sorry, not my fault. Oh, dude. I'm to break. Let's bro. Yo, what's up? Oh, let's see. Did you get? Oh my god, you guys secret. Oh no, that's Brian one. Come on, let's see. No, come on. Open it. Oh my god, what you get? Oh my god, keyboard. Yo, 6-7, yo. Oh my god, 6-7, bro. We did this together. Nice one. You can have the 6-7. You can have it. Nah, let's share. Okay. Oh my god, bro. Bro's the best brain right now. Yo, we actually. Imagine we get a lost 6-7 right here. That's trash. Come on. Maybe there's more upstairs or no more. Come on. Oh, it's trash. Oh, there's no more up here. But I got some lucky blocks right here on top too. Bye. This is the best ones. I saved it. So, first we're gonna start with the lost. Oh, sorry about not opening my base. You gotta go up. Come on. Bro, you actually got a 6-7. Okay, the first one's this one. Let's see what you get. Let's see what we get. Come on. Let's go. Yo! How are you getting away right now? Oh, let's see what we get, bro. Yo, lost start to Guinness. 5 minutes, second. Chase. Okay, what should we open next? This one or this one? I pick this one. Where? Oh, nice. Okay. Let's see what we get. Bro, don't try to smack me. Give me this. Bro! Get away! Get out. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Open it. Open it. Yo, yo, yo. What did I get? Nah, that's trash. Bro, don't even try it. Fine, you can have the last one. You can have the last one. I said the last one, not that one. That's mine for revealing. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I'll smack you, haha. Now you can have the gold one, bro. Let's see if you got aura. Come on, aura farm. Let's aura farm. Come on. Job. No! I want a job please, bro. At least give me the job. You want the job application again? Come on, let's see. Go up here, bro. Let's see what you get. At least you got 167, bro. Like 6, 7. Come on, look away. 6, 8, 6. That's trash. That's trash. You trash. You want to play with me, boy? You want to play with me, boy? You want to play? But that's all we got, guys. We got 167. That's crazy. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.